You want to come in here and do an unboxing with me? I think people like that. Come here. There also might be a wasp in here, so I'm sorry. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a foundation wear test for Influencer and Jane Iredale's foundation. That was really southern.
That was very southern.
And I actually just got my Ipsy in the mail in the middle of a wear test, so I can't try this box on this month, but there is a lipstick. There is a lipstick in here, so I'll try the lipstick on for you guys. My husband's joining me because he's cool. And I'm just going to go over quickly what's in this box, show you guys everything, and let you know the prices. And as always, what's as always? And as always, you can pick extra products to get at a discounted price. So $11.25 is Choice Day. You can pick the first product in your bag. $11.29 is Black Friday, and there is a 6-item mystery bag that goes on sale. And then Cyber Monday is the 2nd of December, and you can buy 2 add-ons and get a free sample or $3 off a full-size price. And this month's theme is Wild Side. So let's go over these products real quick.
Let me turn the sun out. Don't fall.
Okay. So Ipsy is $25 a month. It is a monthly subscription service for beauty products. You get 5 full-size items or like a luxury size item. Sometimes they give you a bag, like they did this time. They gave us a bag. So this is a real, oh my gosh, Avalyn's gonna love this. I'm gonna get this to her. This is
very leopard printed.
Yeah, this is a cute little bag. It's actually really big for this month, but it does have a cute little fringe zipper, little leopard print. So what do we have first thing?
Shit London.
Shit London.
Ciate London.
You really think Ciate with a little thing over the E
Ciate London
is pronounced shit?
Ciate London.
Okay, Ciate London
Ciate.
Dewy Sticks. How much is this?
$26.
Wow. Okay, so this is enriched with muru butter. And it has skin conditioning hyaluronic acid. So you're supposed to put it onto bare skin over brow bones, cheekbones, cupid's bow.
It'll help you radiate.
It
says
helps.
Instant radiance to your skin, so you'll be radiating like a nuke.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back of my hand because that needs some help. See how many wrinkles it gets out of my hand.
That glow is amazing. You're radiating.
My hand is radiating.
Illamasqua.
Alright, I got that here. Alright,
Hydra.
Veil. It's infused with vitamin B3 and sodium hyaluronate that holds more than 1,000 times its weight in water. Okay, so hyaluronic acid. It's kind of big. And how much is this?
$45.
What? Ew. I mean, gross. It's kind of disgusting.
Slime.
Ew. Oh, let's not waste it. It's beneficial to my wrinkles.
Is that the stuff that was in Ghostbusters?
Ectoplasm?
Yeah.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Trestique. Good Vibes Mascara.
Alright, so...
$25.
$25. I actually got this before in a box, and I am not anywhere close to being done with it. So I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway for you guys. But let me show you what it does. It's really... I just dropped it. Sorry, future giveaway person. So here's what it does. It actually has an eyelash curler on the end of it.
Fancy.
Focus. So you can curl your lashes, and it actually is a really cool eyelash curler because it can get those really annoying end lashes that always stay straight, and you can just move it around your eyeball, and it's nice. It doesn't pinch or anything because it is so small, so it's really cool. And then the mascara itself is on a, what is this? Curled kind of looking brush. So there's that.
GIGI Gorgeous.
GIGI Gorgeous.
The 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt plus Extra.
Okay, so lots of millennial stuff.
Sure.
Alright, so this is GIGI Gorgeous. Oh, that's actually kind of cute packaging. How much is this?
It's an Ipsy exclusive.
Oh, okay.
$24.
$24. Awesome. I will probably include, I love bronzers, so I'll probably include this in a future video. But that's actually a pretty nice color. It's not too orange. This one's pretty cool toned over here. This one's slightly more warm. And the last one is actually a lipstick, which looks almost exactly like the color that I'm wearing today. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one on. And what is this?
Belle in Argent, Auteur Creme Lip Color in Smoking on Screen.
What is that accent?
I don't know.
Stop it.
Cruelty-free and vegan brand.
Alright, and how much is it?
$26. It's got jojoba oils in it.
Jojoba?
And argan.
That's probably what it's called. This is actually really beautiful packaging, you guys. Look at that. It's all like futuristic, and I have my whole entire family in here with me, by the way.
Except Evelyn.
Except Evelyn. Yeah. So that's actually really beautiful. Ooh, this is such pretty packaging. Look at it. That is this lip color. It's actually really, really beautiful. Smoking on screen. I like it. So here's the box total for the people who can do math. I can't. I'll do that in editing. And I'm sorry that I didn't get a chance to try everything on, but if you guys are interested in a Jane Iredale foundation wear test, I have that coming up as well. So that's all I have, and thank you, husband, for joining us. All right, that's all I have, and I will see you.
Daughters.
It's lots of daughters. I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Oh yes, if you guys were interested, this is the hand I put that balm on, and this is one without anything on it, so you guys can see.